Understanding the phrase, cemetery silence. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we explore fascinating English phrases and their meanings. Today, we're diving into the phrase, cemetery silence. This phrase is rich in imagery and emotion, and understanding it can add depth to your English communication skills. So, let's get started. Cemetery silence is an idiomatic expression used to describe an extremely quiet or still atmosphere. The phrase evokes the quietness and stillness associated with a cemetery, a place typically free from noise and bustling activity. It's often used to convey a sense of eeriness or solemnity in a situation where silence is so profound it's almost tangible. The origin of cemetery silence is not precisely documented, but it is a figurative language that draws its imagery from the universal perception of cemeteries as quiet and solemn places. It's a metaphor that compares the silence in a given scenario to the quietness one would expect in a cemetery. This comparison helps to emphasize the depth and intensity of the silence being described. Let's see how to use cemetery silence in different contexts. 1. Describing a scene. When she entered the abandoned house, she was greeted by a cemetery silence that sent chills down her spine. 2. Expressing surprise. As the shocking news was announced, a cemetery silence fell over the crowd. 3. Illustrating tension. There was a cemetery silence in the meeting room as everyone awaited the decision. It's important to note that while cemetery silence is a vivid descriptive phrase, it also involves a location, cemetery, associated with death and mourning. Therefore, it's essential to use this phrase with cultural sensitivity. Be mindful of the context and the audience to ensure that the usage is appropriate and respectful. We hope this exploration of cemetery silence has been enlightening and adds a new dimension to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying images and emotions, and phrases like this one are perfect examples. Keep practicing, and don't forget to listen for these expressions in everyday conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.